What's up, everybody? This is Justin Johnson, and I'm really excited to share this with you guys for the holidays here. We just got a new small batch of these all one-of-a-kind custom-made whiskey barrel guitars, Justin Johnson signature whiskey barrel guitars, and we've got 5 of them. Just got them in, and we're only going to have 5 for this whole holiday season. So I wanted to put out a video, show you guys each of these instruments since they're all a little bit different, and really just get you guys excited about the fact that we now have 5 more of these available. The last 5 or 6 that we had when we had the last batch sold out really quickly, so I want to share this all with you guys. And each one's got its own look, its unique personality, and I'm going to play each one, show them to you, and give you an idea of which one you guys might want to take home and put under the Christmas tree. So this is number 1. I'm going to go in order. Again, there's 5 of them. And come in here and check this out, Nikki. This one, again, they all have a whiskey barrel top. So when they age the whiskey, they put the whiskey in these barrels. And this is the barrel top, actually. And you can see they're all branded. It's made out of oak. The back of it is actually old Tennessee barnwood, hundreds of years old. This one's really cool, too, because it has this knot right here. And you can see down there, each one has basically the back, which is a barnwood, the top, which is the oak whiskey barrel, and then there's a middle section, which is actually a chambered oak middle section. So there's actually sound chambers inside of this guitar also. That both changes the tone, resonance, makes it sound really great, but it also makes the guitar lighter, which is nice. It's also got a stained oak neck on there. And that's about where they all have the same hardware. We got locking tuners here, which is really nice, helps them stay in tune, easy to string up. Strap locks, so your strap stays in place when you put a strap on it. And then it's got a humbucker on the neck side, a humbucker pickup, and then a Tele style bridge pickup right here. Got a Bigsby tremolo, volume, tone knob, 3-way selector switch. One of the things I love about this too is the aged hardware. So even though the hardware is brand new, it works like just brand new hardware, it's got that look that really complements the whiskey barrel. It basically looks like it's about 100 years old, even though it's brand new hardware, and it works like new hardware, so it's nice and reliable. Also, check this out. Each of these guitars also ships out. Included in the price of the guitar is this great Levy's leather case. It has straps on it for carrying. It's a gig bag, but it's built like a tank. The zippers are super strong. It's got this pouch here to fit anything that you have as far as gear there. It's got nice handles up here, another pouch up here. And check this out. The inside is just, it's beautiful. It's just a beautiful case. And there's also, you can see leather inside at all the places where usually the strings or the bridge, something like that might pick at this crushed velvet. So it's got that leather, it's a real leather inside to help protect that. This is a lifelong case, and see, just built like a tank, and it looks like a really nice tank. So that comes with every single one of them, included in the price also. guitar number 1 right there. Get number 2 out here. Yeah, that is awesome. Yeah, and I love the look on this chrome plate right here. Again, that's new hardware, but it's been relicked to where you can use new hardware, but it has that aged look to it. You know, it looks like it's 100 years old, but it works like it's brand new. It's got a nice clean front to it. The contours, the edges are really smooth on these also. The back is nice and smooth. That's that Tennessee barnwood back on there, also oak. Yeah, that's beautiful. Let's plug this one in. I'm going to show you too the different pickup settings. I used them both on that last one, but when I switch the toggle switch, there's 3 settings. I'm going to go here, and that's going to be the neck pickup. That gives you a nice fat warm tone with that humbucker. If I go to the middle position, that's actually both. That's the single coil and the humbucker. When you go to the bridge, you get that nice twangy pickup, that Telecaster pickup. That's great for that twangy stuff. I like to do those low note that. So you can see you get a lot of versatility with those three pickup combinations right there. Let's go on to number 3. And again, if you're interested in these, make sure you think about the aesthetics, because we're going to, you know, if you see this video, you email us, say, I like number 2, I like number 3, something like that. I'll know exactly which one you're talking about. This one's awesome because it's got this brand right here, which is really cool. Looks like they stamped something onto the whiskey barrel top right there. I can't quite read what it is. It's got a nice deep groove to it. And this one actually feels a little bit heavier, so I'm interested to see how it sounds in comparison to the others too. Again, you got that nice back right there, got a knot there, that's that barnwood. And everything looks just a little bit different. Everything feels just you know, slightly different, but they all have the same electronics, same Bigsby tremolo system, same strap locks, locking tuners. Yeah, I like the way that one sounds. That sounds killer. So let's go on to number 4 right here. Oh, I can already see on the side here, this has a much darker wood on the back. That looks really cool. Nikki, you were calling this the yin yang one right here. You got light on the front, dark on the back. And that brand there too, that has a lot more of that sort of burnt look to it, which is really cool. It gives it a darker appearance on the front than some of the other ones. And you get a nice, some nice dark weathering on that relic look on the knobs here too. That's cool. Yeah. A little bit of green on the back there also. Let's see if that affects the tone at all, makes it sound a little different. Yeah, you know, that one actually sounds a little brighter than some of the other ones. Yeah, that's killer. A little bit different, a little bit brighter. It's got a really nice balance. And that's number 4 right there, the darker back. Yeah, that's cool. It really matches the stain on the oak neck there, that back does. So let's go on to number 5 right here. And yeah, that's nice. I love how dark that brand is right there when they burn the brand into the top of the whiskey barrel there. And looks like that one's got another stamp on it. And you can see Lynchburg right there. That's where they make this whiskey in Tennessee. And that's cool. That's just another unique aspect about actually getting the whiskey barrels themselves and using those for the guitar bodies. This one's got some cool, you know, like wormholes on the back too. You can just tell how old that wood is. It must have been outside for so long, just, you know, getting that weathered look. And you know, it's cool too when you play a wood that's old and that has a lot of weathering on it. It sounds different. It sounds more open, and it almost sounds, you know, like a vintage guitar, even if you just built it, you know, because really you're talking about the age of the wood, not just the age of the guitar. So you get that maturity in there. That sounds killer. And I love too with you know, nice pickups. You get them set just right. Like the action on the guitar is really nice. It's good for slide. It's good for fretted playing. But I love it when you can play softly and the guitar responds to you. You know, you play with a light touch. It's got a nice output on the pickups. The pickups height are adjusted right so that when you play soft, you still get that good output. But when you dig in, you get a nice, you know, high output, a little boost of output. You can tell whether you're using fingers or a pick too. Oh, that's killer. So make sure you go to justinjohnsonlive.com, go to the store page. You'll see my signature whiskey barrel guitars there. And again, as of right now, we've got 5 for this whole year, for the rest of this year. So make sure you grab yours while you can. And first come, first serve. So if you like a specific one, since they're all a little bit different, tell me, you know, Justin, I want number 1, or I really like number 3, or describe the one you like, you know, and I'll look for that one. And we'll get it out to you. Right now, if you get it soon, we can ship before Christmas. So basically, we can ship these out right now as soon as they're ordered. So again, make sure you check out justinjohnsonlive.com. And thanks for watching. You guys rock. Appreciate it.